Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rotate your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and to rotate our video is very simple. All you have to do is select your clip and go to the effect controls right here. So once you found your effect controls, you have your rotation option right here. So all you have to do is basically adjust the value by sliding it to the left or to the right, or just simply typing your value. So maybe 50 degrees, and it will be like this. And if you want it to be a moving rotation, then you can just simply click on the keyframe right here. So for example, you want the rotation to start at the beginning, so you want to click at the keyframe and make sure that your playhead is in the beginning, and then you want the rotation to end at the middle right there, and you want your rotation to be at this point by the time it reaches the middle right there. So when you play it, it would be now like this. And you can adjust it based on your preference and how you would like it. And you can even add a zoom right there so that it won't be showing the black bars right there. And I'm gonna go to the keyframe right there, and I'm gonna zoom in by this much. And when you play it, it will be now like this. And yeah, just like that, we have now successfully rotated our video. So that is basically it.